Your touch is like the daylight.
YouTube is an American online video sharing and social media platform launched by Steve Chen, Chad Hurley, and Jawed Karim in February 2005. Its users watch more than 1 billion hours of videos each day. 7. YouTube content creators, popularly referred to as YouTubers, upload over 100 hours of content per minute. 8. In October 2006. YouTube was bought by Google for $1.65 billion. 9. It has since evolved from a small video streaming platform to a large service influencing popular culture, internet trends, and creating multi-millionaire celebrities. YouTube has reported revenues of $19.8 billion in 2020. 1. After Google, YouTube is the most visited website worldwide, with over 1 billion monthly users. 10. Google's ownership of YouTube has also changed its business model. It no longer generates revenue from advertisements alone. YouTube now offers paid content such as movies and exclusive content. YouTube and approved creators participate in Google's AdSense program, which generates more revenue for both parties. YouTube has expanded beyond the website into mobile apps, network television, and to permitting other services like Discord and Nintendo to be linked to it. The range of videos on YouTube includes music videos, video clips, short films, feature films, documentaries, audio recordings, corporate-sponsored movie trailers, live streams, vlogs, as well as content from popular YouTubers. Most content is generated by individuals, including collaborations between YouTubers and companies that sponsor them. Since around 2015, established media corporations such as Disney, Viacom CBS, and Warner Media have created and expanded their corporate YouTube channels to promote their content to a larger audience. YouTube also acts as a social network by allowing users with a Google account to watch and upload their own videos, comment on videos, rate and respond to comments, like or dislike videos, create playlists, and subscribe to other users and channels. With billions of hours of content and thousands of niche groups, YouTube has also had a great social impact. As it has grown and evolved, it has become involved in many controversies that have made headline news, such as its self-censorship, alleged corporate favoritism, allowing its users to spread conspiracy theories, and issues regarding child safety and well-being. Founding and initial growth, 2005–2006. From left to right, Chad Hurley, Steve Chen, and Jawed Karim, the founders of YouTube. YouTube was founded by Steve Chen, Chad Hurley, and Jawed Karim. The trio were all early employees of PayPal, which them left enriched after the company was bought by eBay. 11. Hurley had studied design at Indiana University of Pennsylvania, and Chen and Karim studied computer science together at the University of Illinois at Urbana-Champaign. 12. There are multiple stories told of the company's founding. According to a story that has often been repeated in the media, Hurley and Chen developed the idea for YouTube during the early months of 2005. After they had experienced difficulty sharing videos that had been shot at a dinner party at Chen's apartment in San Francisco. Karim did not attend the party and denied that it had occurred. But Chen remarked that the idea that YouTube was founded after a dinner party was probably very strengthened by marketing ideas around creating a story. Karim said the inspiration for YouTube first came from the Super Bowl XXXVIII halftime show controversy, when Janet Jackson's breast was briefly exposed by Justin Timberlake during the halftime show. Karim could not easily find video clips of the incident and 2004 Indian Ocean tsunami online, which led to the idea of a video sharing site. 14. Hurley and Chen said that the original idea for YouTube was a video version of an online dating service, and had been influenced by the website Hot or Not. 13. 15. They created posts on Craigslist asking attractive women to upload videos of themselves to YouTube in exchange for a $100 reward. 16. Difficulty in finding enough dating videos led to a change of plans, with the site's founders deciding to accept uploads of any type of video. 17. The YouTube logo was used from its launch until 2011. Another version of this logo without the "Broadcast Yourself" slogan was used until 2015. YouTube began as a venture capital-funded technology startup. Between November 2005 and April 2006, the company raised money from a variety of investors with Sequoia Capital, $11.5 million, and Artis Capital Management, $8 million. Being the largest two. 11. 18. YouTube's early headquarters were situated above a pizzeria and Japanese restaurant in San Mateo, California. 19. In February 2005, the company activated www.youtube.com. 20. The first video was uploaded April 23, 2005. Titled Me at the Zoo. It shows co-founder Jawed Karim at the San Diego Zoo and can still be viewed on the site. 21. 22. In May, the company launched a public beta, and by November, a Nike ad featuring Ronaldinho became the first video to reach 1 million total views. 23. 24. The site launched officially on December 15, 2005. By which time the site was receiving 8 million views a day. 25. 26. Clips at the time were limited to 100 megabytes, as little as 30 seconds of footage. During this time, the company also went through some organizational changes. In October 2006, YouTube moved to a new office in San Bruno, California. 52. Hurley announced that he would be stepping down as Chief Executive Officer of YouTube to take an advisory role, and that Salah Kamingar would take over as head of the company in October 2010. YouTube's new CEO, 2014 to 2018, YouTube logo. Since 2017, Susan Wojcicki was appointed CEO of YouTube in February 2014. 54. In January 2016, YouTube expanded its headquarters in San Bruno by purchasing an office park for $215 million. The complex has 51,468 square meters, 554,000 square feet of space, and can house up to 2,800 employees. 55. YouTube officially launched the Polymer redesign of its user interfaces based on Material Design language as its default, as well a redesigned logo that is built around the service's play button emblem in August 2017. Through this period, YouTube tried several new ways to generate revenue beyond advertisements. In 2013, YouTube launched a pilot program for content providers to offer premium subscription-based channels within the platform. 57. 58. This effort was discontinued in January 2018 and relaunched in June. with 4 United States dollars and 99 cents channel subscriptions. 59.60. These channel subscriptions complemented the existing Super Chat ability, launched in 2017, which allows viewers to donate between $1 and $500 to have their comment highlighted. 61. In 2014, YouTube announced a subscription service known as Music Key, which bundled ad-free streaming of music content on YouTube with the existing Google Play Music service. 62. The service continued to evolve in 2015, when YouTube announced YouTube Red, a new premium service that would offer ad-free access to all content on the platform, succeeding the Music Key service released the previous year. Premium original series, and films produced by YouTube personalities, as well as background playback of content on mobile devices. YouTube also released YouTube Music, a third app oriented towards streaming and discovering the music content hosted on the YouTube platform. Through this period, YouTube tried several new ways to generate revenue beyond advertisements. In 2013, YouTube launched a pilot program for content providers to offer premium subscription-based channels within the platform. 57.58. This effort was discontinued in January 2018 and relaunched in June, with 4 United States dollars and 99 cents channel subscriptions. 59.60. These channel subscriptions complemented the existing Super Chat ability, launched in 2017, which allows viewers to donate between $1 and $500 to have their comments highlighted. 61. In 2014, YouTube announced a subscription service known as Music Key, which bundled ad-free streaming of music content on YouTube with the existing Google Play Music service. 62. The service continued to evolve in 2015 when YouTube announced YouTube Red, a new premium service that would offer ad-free access to all content on the platform, succeeding the Music Key service released the previous year. Premium original series and films produced by YouTube personalities, as well as background playback of content on mobile devices. YouTube also released YouTube Music, a third app oriented towards streaming and discovering the music content hosted on the YouTube platform. From 2008 to 2017, users could add annotations to their videos, such as pop-up text messages and hyperlinks, and which allowed for interactive videos. By 2019, all annotations had been removed from videos, breaking some videos which depended on the feature. YouTube introduced standardized widgets intended to replace annotations in a cross-platform manner, including end screens, a customizable array of thumbnails for specified videos displayed near the end of the video. 91, 92, 93. In 2018, YouTube became an ISNI registry and announced its intention to begin creating ISNI identifiers to uniquely identify the musicians whose videos it features.